Stewie. My stomach just made the loudest noise in the middle of a quiet room. I wanted to disappear.
Ah, yes. The rumble of the empty gut, scientifically called borborygmi, which is a far more dignified word than the sound deserves.
Why does it do that, though?
Your digestive system is basically a long tube with muscles that squeeze food through. It makes those squeezing movements all the time, even when there's no food inside. When it's empty, the air and leftover liquid inside slosh around during those squeezes, and that creates the noise.
So it's louder when I'm hungry?
Exactly, because there's nothing to muffle it. Food absorbs the sound. Emptiness makes it louder.
My stomach is literally crying for food?
In the most embarrassing way possible, yes.
Does this happen to you at the worst time? Comment below.